welcome to Life on Cars. My name's Fraser and I'm quite tired, I'm going to be honest, but instead of getting some rest I thought, why don't we do, I'm only filming on a phone, a cold start. This beast. This is my first car. It's still here. It hasn't been started up in 8 months, something like that. I'm not sure. Last MOT, whenever that was. So I thought, why not give it a cold start? Let's see how it goes. I've got the keys. Should be open. Yeah. Little 2-cylinder, flat twin, mouldy. Ooh. Ah, that smells ripe, that does. Find something to wipe that off, that's disgusting. Like I said, it hasn't been started in ages. A really long time. So it'd be quite fun trying to do a cold start on it. Proper cold start. Oh yeah. So much bacteria. Ooh. That's genuinely disgusting. Go on. There you are. Oh yeah, here we go, here we go. Oh, I haven't sat inside this for ages. Oh, hold on. I want to open that, but that's in the way. Oh, fuck it. Okay. Even that's stiff. A mohair roof. This is a 1982 Citroen 2CV. Oh, I really do love this thing. It's making me nostalgic. Yeah, it's been sat here for so long. Look at that. All that crud. Let's see if it's got any juice left. Hey, okay, that's an LED light. Neutral. I think we'll give it a few pumps. See what it does, crank it over. Strong crank for that amount of time. Oh, hold on. It's been that long, I forgot it's got a choke. There we are. Come on, baby. Thinking quite a bit of fuel, no fuel, let it soak up. Go on, you caught then. Go on. Oh, bugger. Oh, yeah, that's the stall light. Let's turn that off for a minute. Let's check under the bonnet. I was catching. I just think it's probably really dry. There's a joke there somewhere. Apologies for being such an amateur. Oh, here we go. Should really get out the GoPro and see if I can work that. Now, apologies again, I don't actually have any tools with me. All my tools are in the Range Rover, currently on the way to Montevideo. I'll explain that soon. I'm not sure if I've got any... let's have a look what we got. Excuse the Dodge panels there. I'm going to fix my Dodge. Those who don't know, I crashed it. My Dodge pickup truck. About a year ago. Or over a year ago. I've got no consent, have I? Look at that. Oh, what's this? Glass cleaner? Shit, isn't that combustible? Oh, danger, fire. Who knows? Who knows? Let's go full pikey. That's not too much hate, please. Not too much hate. Hold on. Okay, bloody hell, fire. Let's give it a bit of a... Oh yeah, it's definitely squirting. Oh, there's a joke there somewhere. Come on. This isn't all my stuff. Apart from the big dodge panels, and a dodge panel there, and a bumper over there. Just don't worry about that too much. Okay. Come on, you beauty. Hey! Oh, excuse me. Jesus. You're in a mood, aren't you? I apologise for neglecting you, but wow. Yeah! What a hero! Don't do this. Don't start it without the door being open. Carbon monoxide bad. Yeah, look at that little bearing. Yeah! 602cc. Adequate. That's what it is. Adequate. What a little beast. Don't seem to be getting much charge at the moment. Come on, charge up. Hey. Nice. Handbrake shouldn't really be left on. I don't know why that was on that like that. That wasn't me. I'm not taking blame for that one. Nice. It's done 135,000 miles. Little hero. Needs another road trip. That's what this thing needs. Needs another road trip. Oh. There we are. Come on, you bench thing. Grab that. Yeah. Oh yeah. Jesus. Oh, I'd so take this out. I shouldn't, shouldn't I? That's a successful. Oh, God, we got a bit too much charge there, haven't we? Sorry. That's our first successful cold start. I'm a bit baffled, really. I didn't think it was going to start. I thought I'd have to throw it on the charger. It's not on a charger or anything. Just left to sit here, poor thing. Yeah. Ace. Right, thanks for watching, if you are watching, of course. And I'll make some more videos, hopefully a bit more entertaining than just cold starting an old 2CV. So, see you soon. Oh, I completely forgot. Like and subscribe if you're liking the stuff we're doing. And me and Dylan are planning to do a lot more with this channel. Now with that, we've got more of a following. So, at current, if you're one of the 417 subscribers, thank you very much. Let's keep going. Let's see how far we can take it. See you later.